Westmoreland Rabbit, episode 4. Pops managed to get a brand new carburetor on there. And I'm gonna show a couple clips of the original carburetor removal. So we got an impact gun and a long extension. Not long enough.
Sticker on there, dude.
Yeah. So there we have it.
Here's this piece.
Little warped.
Cracked, sit,
Yeah.
crushed, or whatever. Can you get that?
Yeah, I think that comes with the kit. Little backstory on the Rabbit. We pulled this out of the original owner's garage a couple months back, and I've had a tough time sourcing a carburetor or a carburetor rebuild, and went and talked to several carburetor guys, and one guy told us that he hadn't seen this carburetor in 40 years. So it was tough to find a replacement, but based on the bottom flange there, we did manage to score this, and we have to tighten up some hardware, and hopefully we could get this thing up and running. It's been a long time. So the carb is actually a Solex style carb, and this is actually a single barrel from an old Beetle. The bottom flange there is 37 millimeter, and this is just a Chinese one. Cost about 80 bucks, and not a lot of options for the Rabbit. But a single barrel for a Beetle has the same 37 millimeter flange, and hopefully it works pretty good. The reviews said that the carb works pretty good, so fingers crossed.